morning, everyone. My name is Sallykasper. Today I will show you how to make the homemade disinfectant. We went to different stores yesterday because I want to get more of Clorox or bleach, but they don't have any. So we decided to make, so I went to YouTube and then did some research about how to disinfect your counters or kitchen, and I learned something. So I'm gonna show you what I learned, and I will also attach the coronavirus from CDC. CDC is the Center for Disease Control. So I'm going to attach so you learn more of how to protect ourselves. Okay, so I'm learning something. When you stay home, you do some research and you're learning something. And I will attach the of how to protect yourself from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. So coronavirus COVID-19, I will attach that, and then I will show you how to disinfect ourselves, the kitchen, the bathroom, the old way. Okay, because I remember my grandmother, when we were like elementary, she put some vinegar, vinegar on, because they're using like a wooden chopping board. She put some vinegar into warm water. I don't really understand. I don't understand why, but we just get along. I thought it was normal to wash chopping board with vinegar. Anyway, my family and friends, please don't forget to subscribe over here, like and comments if you like this, if you learned something from this video. Next is my video. Hello guys, I'm back and I'm gonna show you how to make your own disinfectant. Okay, so it's very easy. It's the one you have at home. So we have 3/4 cup of vinegar, 2 cups of water, and then need to put some alcohol. I put like 3 tablespoons of alcohol. Because alcohol is the first aid antiseptic. So, and then I put this vitamin E dish soap, or the regular, whatever you have in the kitchen. 1 tablespoon of this. And then you have to mix this together in a very, very old way. My grandmother used to do this, put in the basin and then put their wooden chopping board. I don't understand that before. So what I did, I cut the paper towel. I put in here whatever container you have. We need to do this ourselves because we cannot buy anything wipes. If you cannot buy any wipes, and then you just soak the paper towel. And then the other half of the paper towel, you can use another like this for your bathroom. This is, I'm gonna put this in my kitchen. See guys, you need to do it slow so it will soak the paper towel. And then grab the other corner. See, like this guys, so you can use this to wipe your counter. See, it's very, very good. See, you can just grab, put it on the top, and then cover it. So I will use this in my kitchen. So after I clean my countertops, and then I have to use this for last, like after cleaning it with this cloth, you clean that one after dinner, and then I have to grab one of this, see, just like, but you need to use the better quality paper towel so it will, you know, see, it's just homemade. And then you can use this to wipe your counter like that. See? Really good. So I gonna, the other half, see, the other half, I gonna use for my bathroom. So I use the same thing. The same ingredients I have to use. I use for this. I gonna use the other half for the bathroom, so I don't have to keep on carrying this, right? So I use the other half for our bathroom. So see, I did it, my friends. So we'll try to make, because of this virus, it's hard to find the wipes, so we do it ourselves. So my family and friends, next I have to show you how to make the mask using paper towel. So please follow me, my family and friends. I'm going to teach you how to make a mask using the paper towel. So follow me, and please don't forget to hit that bell button so you will know you get notified in my next video. Thanks for watching.